today's video, we are by the pool. Even though it's kind of cloudy, Bubby got a new boat.
Here you go. Now, stay.
She has a little floating mermaid. Here, let me see it, Sierra.
I got a move.
Oh, look, here's his boat. He just got that last night.
Mermaid. It had three things. The big one, there's like a sailor one, but made it go all the way to the bottom, and that's the middle one, but it's
Cute.
quite heavy as it.
Oh, I think her fin might fall off. You might want to fix it. Hey, Grace.
Hi.
Are you excited that you can go under now?
Yeah.
You don't have an ear infection anymore. You can go all over the pool.
Yes.
Their cousins are on the way over too to swim.
So, hi. Yes.
Where's your boat, Bob?
So excited. Here. Hi.
Grace, can you get the toucan out of the pool if you're not using it so we can see Bubby's boat? Bubby, you got to put your vest on. Put your vest on.
Get me my mommy.
Get in and get her, baby. No, you're all wet. You got to get a towel, dry off. You can't touch your remote wet. Just go knock on the door. Grandma give you a towel.
I'm so excited that these are all gone. I didn't realize they didn't hurt when I went down.
Get in and get it.
Give me Coco.
She looks so cute in that bathing suit.
No, we can't wait to get Coco. Yeah, no, you want to play with somebody too person. I'm going to be so good to be with them.
She's so cute. Sierra, you look so cute in that bathing suit. Let me see it. Look at her unicorn bathing suit. It looks so good on you. It fits you really good too. Grace, calm down, babe. I have a phone.
Okay. I don't want to jump in. You won't push me in, or I'm pushing you in with your phone.
You always do the crazy faces. Bubby, hold on. All right, Bubby's gonna do his boat. Oh, watch out, Grace.
Embryo! Don't push me.
I'm not pushing you in, silly. His boat is so strong, it goes through the whole pool. Come on, bring it over here. Look how cool his little boat is. Ah, it's gonna get Grace. Good job.
A gold compactor! Wait for me, Bo! Wait! Oh.
Hi, Sierra, are you gonna get in?
No.
There's his boat. Wow, buddy.
It's too long. Can I cut it?
It's being so good right now. You love your new boat?
Yeah!
Bubby, you love your boat? You can do it, Bubby. Go. Yeah, it's so cool. I like your boat.
Let's go to the beach.
All right. Hi, Sierra.
Mommy, let's go to the deep end.
All right, go. There it goes. It's going far, Bubby. Are you having fun with your boat?
Wanna go to the deep end, Mom?
He's so cute. All right, I'm watching. Let's see if we can zoom in. Sierra, what are you doing?
Ow, my hair came in my back. Mama, you
I love your boat.
Mommy, you got to the deep end.
Yep, it's far over there.